Is it time to buy or sell Elite Pharmaceuticals stock? In this video, we will take a comprehensive look at Elite Pharmaceuticals. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, and we are here to provide you with an even more in-depth analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to overlook any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by exploring our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at stockinvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. As of August 16, 2024, our system has identified Elite Pharmaceuticals as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 8.56. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who have followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 195.45% since we initially recommended Elite Pharmaceuticals as a buy candidate 45 days ago. This translates to an average return of 4.34% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock has broken the wide and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating an even stronger rate of increase. In the event of any pullback, there will now be support at the level of 0.540, a point that may provide a second opportunity for significant gains. According to fan theory, 0.645 will be the next possible peak level, which may act as a resistance that could be challenging to surpass on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 169.01% over the next 3 months, with an estimated return ranging from 99.88% to 148.21%. As for the 12-month trend, it indicates a 136.61% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between negative 8.67% and 45.51%. This translates to a price range of 0.534 to 0.85 after a year. Our latest daily update for Elite Pharmaceuticals highlights significant movements in the stock price. On Friday, the stock fluctuated by 17.8% between its high and low. The stock price of Elite Pharmaceuticals Inc. experienced a gain of 17% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 18th of October, 2024. It rose from 50 cents to 58.5 cents. This marks 4 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to see whether this upward trend continues or if the stock takes a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock varied by 17.8%, reaching a low of 50 cents and a high of 58.9 cents. Over the past 10 days, the price has increased on 8 occasions, totaling an impressive 48.74% rise over the last 2 weeks. However, it is important to note that volume decreased on the last day by 226,000 shares, with a total of 4 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $2.25 million. Decreasing volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the near future. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was 58.9 cents, while the lowest was 10 cents. Currently, the price stands at 0.68% or 0.4 of a cent, below the 52-week peak, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Elite Pharmaceuticals, Incorporated, symbol ELTP, has recently achieved a significant milestone with the endorsement from the Israeli Ministry of Health for its generic version of Adderall. This approval enables Elite to distribute immediate-release mixed amphetamine salts in various strengths through its exclusive distributor, Dexcel Pharma. Such advancements are crucial for the company's revenue streams as they introduce highly sought-after products to new markets. In addition, Elite has successfully launched a generic version of Tylenol with codeine, further enhancing its product lineup aimed at pain management. This launch, alongside the recent introduction of generic methotrexate sodium, positions Elite strongly within the generic pharmaceuticals sector, addressing essential healthcare needs. On the financial front, Elite reported a break-even status in its first quarter earnings, a result of an impressive increase in revenues by 109%. This growth in revenues, combined with new product launches, indicates robust operational performance, which can enhance investor confidence. In the short term, these developments are likely to positively influence EP's stock price as investor sentiment builds around the company's expanding product portfolio and revenue potential. Looking ahead, sustained growth through regulatory approvals and a diversified offering could establish Elite as a formidable competitor in the specialty pharmaceutical market, potentially driving further stock appreciation. Investors will be closely monitoring these trends as they unfold. Analysts have assigned Elite Pharmaceuticals stock a general neutral rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Elite Pharmaceuticals. The chart presents mostly positive signals today. The stock of Elite Pharmaceuticals Inc. shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is anticipated at levels of approximately 467 cents and 387 cents. Should the stock break below either of these levels, it will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 13th of September, 2024, and the stock has since risen by over 62%. Further gains are likely until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, trading volume decreased on the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, serving as a potential early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor this stock closely. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 26 days ago. Bollinger provided a buy signal 3 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 51 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 46 days ago. Looking at the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 51 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 104 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 93 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at stockinvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Elite Pharmaceuticals. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at 500 cents and 485 cents. There is an inherent risk when a stock tests a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a decline to the next support point. In the case of Elite Pharmaceuticals Inc., support is just below today's level at 500 cents. If this level is breached, the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at 485 cents and 441 cents. This stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 0.89 of a cent between its high and low, representing a change of 17.8%. For the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 9.24%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Elite Pharmaceuticals, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This ratio is relatively normal and is often observed in companies with long track records or stable revenues. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 14th of November, 2024. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Elite Pharmaceuticals. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upward swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you may want to enter a position and use volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, Elite Pharmaceuticals encounters its first support level at 500 cents. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Elite Pharmaceuticals from multiple analyst sources is neutral. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 29th of March, 2024, when Hakim Nasrat A conducted an insider purchase of 49,534,368 shares of common stock. Our recommended stop loss is set at 0.569, which represents a decrease of 2.82%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, contributing to a higher risk profile. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 84, indicating a substantial increase in risk. Notably, there is a buy signal identified from a pivot bottom that occurred 25 days ago. Is Elite Pharmaceuticals stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators suggest a positive outlook, and the stock has broken above its upward trend, indicating a stronger rate of increase. We believe that the current level presents a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Elite Pharmaceuticals Incorporated stock to perform well in the near term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 21st of October, we expect Elite Pharmaceuticals to open lower, down by 27 hundredths of a dollar, and begin trading at 558 hundredths of a dollar. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on stockinvest.us. By using this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.